Nakain ka na ng pandesal? Ano yung mga sahog ng pandesal? Harina, mantika, merong itlog, diba? Merong asin, may pampaalsa. Diba? Masarap yun pag sama-sama. Tapos nakompleto na yung process. Pero kapag kinain mo yung mga ingredients ng isa-isa, hindi mo siya ma-appreciate. Ganon din sa buhay. Don't judge your life based on a day. You're not having a bad life when you're just having a bad day. Sabi sa Romans 8:28, "For we know that in all things God works for the good of those who love Him and those who were called according to His purpose." Sa ibang translation, all things work together for good. Hindi all things are good. Pero God can make all things work together for good. Kaya if you're having a bad day, it's not a bad life. Kapit lang.